Picture this. You stand in the middle of a desert. The horizon stretches endlessly. Waves of heat shimmer above rolling dunes, golden and lifeless. Not a single drop of water in sight. The air is dry. The silence is absolute, broken only by the whisper of the wind pushing grains of sand across the surface. And yet, beneath your feet, the sand tells another story. If you dig deep enough, you might find seashells, fossils of ancient fish. Even skeletons of whales, perfectly preserved in the middle of what seems to be an ocean of sand. How could that be possible? How could this harsh, waterless desert once have been home to crashing waves, coral reefs, and whales swimming freely? This is the paradox of our planet. A land we now call desert was once covered by vast oceans. Today, we'll explore the forgotten seas beneath the sands, the deserts that used to be oceans, and the stories they hold of life, death, and the ever-changing Earth. Part 1. The Science of Shifting Earth. To understand how deserts can hide oceans, we have to journey back in time, millions of years. Earth's surface is not fixed, it's alive. Continents drift, collide, and split apart, driven by immense tectonic forces deep below the crust. Where we now see dunes, there may once have been seafloors. The Sahara Desert, for example, the largest hot desert on Earth, was once beneath an ocean. Scientists studying its sand have found marine fossils, seashells, and even giant whale skeletons lying under the scorching sun. This is thanks to plate tectonics. Imagine the continents as rafts, floating on molten rock. Over millions of years, they shift. Oceans open and close. Mountains rise where there were once beaches. And seas vanish, leaving behind only memories carved in stone. It's not just the Sahara. The Atacama Desert of South America, the Gobi Desert of Asia, even parts of the American Southwest. All of them hide fossils of marine creatures. Each grain of sand is a piece of Earth's memory, written over unimaginable spans of time. Part 2. Whale Valley, Fossils in the Sand. One of the most astonishing pieces of evidence lies in Egypt, in a place called Wadi al-Hitan, the Valley of the Whales. Here, in the middle of a barren desert, paleontologists have discovered hundreds of ancient whale skeletons, some dating back 40 million years. These whales weren't like the ones we know today. They had small legs, remnants of a time when their ancestors still walked on land. Over millions of years, they adapted fully to the oceans. And then, as the seas retreated, their bodies became entombed in sand. Imagine walking through a desert valley and seeing bones of massive creatures stretching across the ground. It is one of the clearest proofs that deserts can once have been oceans. And it's not just whales. In deserts around the world, scientists find ammonites, spiral-shaped fossils of extinct marine mollusks. They find corals, fish bones, even shark teeth. Every discovery whispers the same truth. These dry, silent places once echoed with the sounds of waves. Part 3. The Green Sahara. Not only was the Sahara once beneath an ocean, but for long stretches of history, it was also green. Lakes, rivers, grasslands, even hippos and crocodiles roamed here. This era is called the African Humid Period, and it happened as recently as 6,000 years ago. Satellite images show traces of ancient rivers beneath the dunes. Archaeologists have found cave paintings in the Sahara depicting giraffes, elephants, and people swimming. The Sahara shifts in cycles, linked to Earth's tilt and orbit. Every 20,000 years or so, rainfall returns, greening the land again before it swings back to desert. It's a reminder that deserts are not permanent. They are part of Earth's rhythm, transforming slowly but powerfully over time. Part 4. Other deserts that were oceans. While the Sahara is perhaps the most famous, it's not alone. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest desert on Earth today. But it was once covered by ocean water, leaving behind thick salt beds and rich mineral deposits that humans now mine. The Gobi Desert in Mongolia was once an inland sea. Fossils of marine reptiles and fish tell us its hidden story. In the American Southwest, layers of red rock reveal that the region was once beneath shallow seas. The deserts of Utah and Arizona hide fossils of giant marine reptiles like ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs. And in Australia, inland deserts preserve the skeletons of ancient marine giants that swam when the continent was underwater. Each desert tells the same tale. Oceans vanish, deserts rise. The land transforms, but the evidence remains. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more hidden wonders of our world. The Earth has many more secrets waiting to be uncovered, and together we'll explore them.